Hi friends, welcome to my channel Your Educare Planet. Let us understand what is the meaning of the CRediT in authorship and what is its role. Basically, CRediT stands for Contributor Role Taxonomy, which is the deciding factor about the order of the authorship in research paper. Let us quickly understand what is the meaning of the order of the authors in a research paper. You can see here, in this research paper we have 1, 2, 3, 4 authors, and the first in the list is called the first author, and rest are called the co-authors. But you can see there is an asterisk. You can see the two asterisks. The asterisks given to the name are called the corresponding authors. So in the list of the authorship of any manuscript, we have three kind of authors. One is called first author, others are called co-authors, and the asterisk given to the name are or is called the corresponding author. So herein it is the guideline which I am presenting before you. These are the 14 points on which you can decide who will be the first author and who will be the co-authors. But herein there is no guideline to take a decision for the corresponding author. For the corresponding author, guidelines is very much clear. I will tell you in the another video. So let us understand what are these 14 points. First of all, these are the 14 points. These first is called conceptualization, which is basically referred to formulating the research idea, goals and hypothesis. Second one is called methodology, which deals with the designing methods, model and protocol for the study. There is a software. Third point, writing code, developing software, implementing algorithms. Validations is referred to verifying results, ensuring accuracy and or reproducibility. Fifth one is a formal analysis, which relates to the statistical, mathematical, computational data analysis. Sixth one stands for investigation, which as you all know, it deals with the conducting experiments, fieldwork, data collection. Then we have resources, providing materials, sample equipments and instrumentation. Data curation, basically deals with cleaning, managing and organizing data for analysis or reuse. Writing original draft, which is very common. Writing, reviewing, editing, which we have write originally will be reviewed. Visualization is basically creating figures, graph, chart and visual representations. Supervision is basically the role of your guide or guiding the research team, mentorship and oversight. Project administration, managing and coordinating the project activities. And finally the funding acquisition, which refer to the securing financial support for grant for the research. So these 14 points are not mine point. These 14 points are given to us by the ethical guideline for publishing or to give the authorship order in our manuscript. So in my view, what I can say before you, that out of these 14 points, the contributor who have worked maximum out of these 14 points should be given the first author, and the rest who generally given his or her support to the first author in completing the manuscript are given the co-authorship. But yes, there is another point which usually come to me, that who should be the first co-author, who should be the second co-author, and consequently other co-authors. So the first co-author should be given to that fellow who has contributed maximum to the first author while preparing the manuscript, and accordingly the work done by the co-authors, the contributed based upon these 14 points are placed in the research paper. So thank you. To see these kind of videos, please subscribe my channel.